Hey guys, welcome back to Double J's. So today we're unboxing the new Blink Mini camera. So this is like a mini security camera that's powered by AC adapter. So we're gonna check this out and I will drop the link down below. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Double J's and follow us throughout our journey. So here we have the box. So let's look around. So it has an app, like there's a Blink Mini app, and let's open it. So first we see the camera, the charger, then we can see some instructions. Not sure what's the sponge for. So let's take the camera out. You can see the camera and there's a barcode in the back to scan it. So there it is. So there's like a magnetic field under, so we will keep the camera over there. And now let's look at the charger. So here is the charger, and you can see that it's powered by micro USB, and on the end there's a regular USB. So let's untie this and check it out. So I'm really surprised that the wire is long, so that's great. And there's nothing else in the box, so let's throw it out. And now we can see the camera. I'm not sure what that's, I'm guessing that's a magnet. And here is the camera. And one cool feature about this camera is that you can rotate it. That's really awesome. So now let's connect the charger to the camera and turn it on. Now we have connected it. Now let's peel the plastic wrap off and let's connect it to a phone. Before that, let's plug it in first. We can see a red light. Now we change to the color yellow and we can see a blue light. So now let's connect it to the app. So here's the app, and first of all you need an account. Finally I created an account. Now let's connect it. So first you click the mini camera, then you scan the code, then you name the device. Finally I have connected it, and you can see me there smiling because I'm really happy. That's because I took like 5 minutes to connect it. So the cool thing is that you can record it and you can mute the sound and you can talk through the camera. So if you want to talk to your kids, you can do that. That's a really cool feature. So you can see the camera, you can see me, and I'm testing the camera out and it's really cool. Hello guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, please leave a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. So I will see you then.